Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the View at the Huck's World. And yes, the Monday grind has arrived. Now we got two boss watch faces that we're going to review today. We're going to do one right now, which is going to be round one of the Monday grind, and then we got a round two of the Monday grind, and both watch faces are going to be super boss. All right, so we're going to start off with number one. This one here is by GS, and GS dropped some of the baddest watch faces in the Gear Manager store that are to be reckoned with. Now this one is going to be affordable as well, so make sure you check this out. Now let's go ahead, let's kick round one off. Now the name of this watch face is called GS Hybrid 7. I like the look, I like the design, I like the fresh look of this watch face because it's different from most that you're going to see in the Gear Manager store. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. Now, I tweaked this a little bit so far as the theme that you see in the background right now. But for the most part, it's going to look the same in the AOD mode. It's going to look nice. You see your analog time with no problem. Once the watch face is on at the top, you get a nice moon phase. Over to your left, you're going to get the date surrounded by the days of the week, and it's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. Now, if you come down to the bottom, you are going to get your battery percentage. You come over to the right, you will get your digital time in the center, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get an info on floors climb, calories burned. Down at the bottom up under the digital time, you will get your step information and your heart rate. So I thought this was a good look for a casual dressed down watch face. Not bad at all. Now the watch face is interactive, right? We're going to show you that right now. If you double tap, just in case you don't know where to tap at, this would let you know every place that you can tap to extract the information that you're seeking out of this watch face. So let's give it a shot. All right. Oh, forgot, got to double tap down here. So if I tap right here, I can set a favorite. You get two places to do that. I could tap over here and I could do the same thing, which is cool, right? And of course, you can go into your phone, and also you can go into your messages over here. If I tap right on it, or tap on it right, there we go. I can go into my messages, which is cool, right? We're not done yet, because this is the part I like. Now, if I double tap in the center, right, I could change the theme in the background to many different themes. You're going to like this one. He gives you quite a few to choose from. And I just want to cycle through just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. But I'm telling you, my man really did his thing with this one. So just be patient with me. Check this out. We're going to cycle through. That one's nice. And then we're back to where we started. Now, if I tap over here, I could change the color theme of the watch face. You get several colors to change to. My man really set us out with this watch face. And if I double tap over here, I could change the theme around the bezel of the watch, give it a different look, especially according to what I may be wearing for the day, my workout outfit, my work outfit, or whatever outfit that I may have on for that day. I could customize it. So I thought that was really nice. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.